Hey guys, welcome to the top 3 editor extensions for April-May 2018. So number 1 is an asset called TakeNote, and it's an extension which allows you to add new tabs and extra extensions for Unity to add notes specifically to things that you might want to do. If, as you can see from the images below, you can have a clean user interface for color coding things that you might want to get completed in different tasks. So say you like to note things down for what bugs you might have found or what things you might need to change, you can create a list and easily color code them between what might be priority and what might not be, and really easily change it like that. And I think this is a really nice little asset for you to look at. Number 2 is an asset called ValuesRounder, and this is more for people who might be a little bit, as the asset suggests, if you get quite annoyed when numbers and things aren't very specific, or if you're rotating objects, moving them in the world, and you've got your X, Y, Z values at a certain values and maybe things that you don't really like, it will allow them to automatically round up game objects to the nearest however you set, and it just allows it to be a simple solution to that problem, so you don't have as many decimal places in your numbers and you can specify how many you want. And number 3 is the PIAA pixel art editor, and it's an bitmap editor tool designed for easy use and simple sort of painting for your own pixel art and sprites and things like that. And it's got simple 2D painting tools. You can use multiple layers, multiple frames, real-time animation preview you can export to JPEG and PNG, and you can export the sprite sheet, so it just allows you to do pixel art fairly easily with a simple interface, as you can see from the video below. And number 4 is something called Object Distributor, and this allows you to randomly distribute objects around the world in the terrains using the tool, and it places objects, as it suggests, can be quite tedious, so it allows you to randomly place objects, which might be trees or anything like that, avoid edges, and it can be based on textures. So this might be something if you're trying to look to randomize different scenes quickly. And last but not least is the Modern UI pack, which is a pack of a selection of buttons, switches, sliders, radials, toggles, drop downs, notifications, progress bars, tooltips, absolutely everything. And as you can see from the samples below, it's got quite a lot of quite elegant, nice looking modern UIs with whether it be stars, buttons, as I said, tooltips, animations, and these were the top 3 editor extensions for April-May 2018, so be sure to check out all the other assets from this month, and be sure to thank the developers for creating these awesome assets for free. So thanks very much for watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.